In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TurboTax not loading or stuck on a blank screen. If TurboTax won't load or you're seeing a blank page, don't panic. This is almost always a quick fix related to your browser or your internet connection. We'll walk through a simple sequence that gets most people back up and running fast. Start with the easiest move. Refresh the page. Press F5 on your keyboard, or click the refresh icon in your browser. Give it a few seconds to reload fully before you try anything else. Sometimes a temporary hiccup is all it takes to stall a page, and a clean reload clears it. Next, make sure your internet connection is solid. Try opening another website to confirm that pages are loading normally. If other sites are slow or not opening, restart your Wi-Fi router and wait a minute for it to come back online. A stable, consistent connection is essential for pages like TurboTax, which load secure resources in the background. If that doesn't do it, clear your browser cache. Open your browser settings, head to the Privacy or History section, and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cache and Cookies, then confirm. This removes old files that can conflict with the latest site content. Keep in mind, clearing cookies may sign you out of some sites, so be ready to log back in. Once that's done, reload TurboTax to pull in a fresh copy of the page. If you're still stuck, try a different browser. Close TurboTax in your current browser, then open another one. Chrome, Edge, or any modern alternative will work. Go to the TurboTax site and log in again. Different browsers handle site data and security slightly differently, and switching often bypasses whatever was causing the hang-up. Another quick reset is to log out and log back in. Click Sign Out, close your browser completely, then reopen TurboTax and sign in again. This refreshes your session and clears minor authentication glitches that can leave you on a blank screen. Finally, use an incognito or private browser window. Open a new private window, go to the TurboTax site, and log in. Private mode uses a clean session without relying on your existing cache or cookies, which helps isolate and avoid corrupted data from previous visits. Work through these steps in order, testing TurboTax after each one. In most cases, a simple refresh, a stable connection, or a clean browser session is all you need to get the page loading normally again.